this video, we are going to review how to search for information using the search functionality. From any screen in Clarity LIMS, you will see a magnifying glass in the top right corner of the screen. If you click that, you will have 5 options of what you can search upon: all, sample, container, project, or protocol step. You can use an asterisk to indicate a wildcard search. I'm going to search for a sample called Sample 1. What we see on this view is quite a lot of information. First, we get the submitted sample information. This will show us details on everything that has happened to the samples. These blue and gray tags show us where the sample is currently queued up. So for this sample, it is currently in progress for tape station, and it is also in 2 different queues waiting for work to be done on it. For each of these tags, there are hyperlinks that will bring you directly into the step or the queue if you click on it. If we expand out the chevron, you will see all of the steps that this sample has been through and the different workflows that it's been assigned to. We also have the little recycling icon on the right side of each step name. This icon will re-queue your sample back into that specific step. If we scroll down, you will see some of the samples are measurements. Any QC configured step will produce a measurement, where in this example, this is the result from a bioanalyzer step. You will then see derived samples. I like to think of this as a daughter sample or an aliquot of the parent sample. If you expand the chevron, you can see all of the steps that aliquot is associated with. Transitioning over to a container search, if I look for 27-2911 and expand the chevron, this will show me all of the samples that live on this specific container. This is a good way to re-queue an entire plate of samples to a specific step if needed. If you were interested in seeing all of the bioanalyzer steps in a system, you can search on the protocol step and search for bioanalyzer. This will show you all of the completed and in progress bioanalyzer steps. Now, what is not listed in the drop-down as a search hit, but I find to be helpful, is that you can also search upon a technician name or a lot number. If I change the search to all and search my own name, I will see a list of all of the protocol steps that I have worked on. This is handy because if I happen to get sick and have to go home, another tech can search for my steps by searching my name and pick up from where I left off. If I go back to the magnifying glass and change to all, I can also search for a specific lot number. This will now show me all of the steps that are associated with that specific lot. We can see this in the green boxes. This is very helpful for troubleshooting. As you can see, the search is a very powerful tool, so try different combinations and see what you can find.